Good morning, children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja online classes. I am Asma Khanam, your EVS educator. How are you, children? I hope you all are well and safe at home. Class first, subject Social Science, Unit 1. Today's topic is the world around us. The area around our house is called our neighborhood. Once again, children, what is neighborhood? Means the area around our house is called neighborhood. We see many things in our neighborhood. Some things living and some are non-living. Children, what we see in our neighborhood? We see many things in our neighborhood. Some are living and some are non-living. Children, we see plants, animals and people are living things. Once again, children, plants, animals and people are living things. Children, I will tell you one small story. By this, you can easily understand living and non-living thing. See, children, Deepa and Deepak live with their parents in this house. Their grandparents also stay with them. Deepa and Ginger enjoy playing with the ball in their garden. Deepa had thought both Ginger and the ball as a kid when she was 5 years old. Now she is 8 years old. Both Deepa and Ginger has grown big, but the ball remained as it is. Living things need food, water and air to live. Once again, listen, children. Living things need food, water and air to live. Living things can grow and die. Most living things can move on their own from one place to another place. Listen, children. Living things can move on their own from one place to another place, like human beings. Plants are living too, but they cannot move on their own because the trees cannot go and mountains cannot go from one place to another place. People, animals can move from one place to another place. Earth is home to both living and non-living things, natural and man-made things. What are natural things? Example, the sun. You can see the sun, moon, rivers and rocks. are all natural things. Natural things means God made things. Natural things means it is provided by the nature. Man cannot create. The hut, car, bed and roads are man-made things. See children, which are man-made things? Hut, man can make. Car, bed, roads, everything which man made are called man-made things. They are made by man for our use. See children, our environment is colorful. How is our environment? Our environment is very colorful. You can see the sun. What is the color of the sun? The color of the sun is yellow. Once again, tell me, what is the color of the sun? The color of the sun is yellow. Leaves. You can see in this picture. Leaves. What is the color of the leaves? The color of the leaves are green. You can see leaves everywhere. It is color green. You see in the picture tomatoes. Tomatoes are red in color. Once again, tell me children, what is the color of tomato? The color of tomato is red. See children, in the picture, air and water. What is the color of air and water? The color of air and water is colorless. It has no color of its own. Therefore, we must take care of our environment. See children, we should take care of our environment. You have to plant the trees and plants in your houses. Small plants, if you are not having place, then you can take the pot and you can plant a tree. Points to remember from this lesson. First point, we live on earth. Where we will live? We will live on earth. Second point, earth is home to things that are living and non-living. See children, on the earth, living things also available and non-living things also available. Third point, living things need food, water and air to live. Before also I explained in the lesson. Living things grow and die. Fourth point, living things can grow also and die. Fifth point, most living things move on their own. Sixth point, some things are found in nature are called natural things. Next and last point, some things are made by man. Those are called as man-made things. Children, I explained the lesson, the world around us. I hope you all understood the lesson and I will give some home assignment. You have to complete it. Thank you children for listening my lesson. Have a good day. Bye.